up, my loves? I'm going to show you how to get silky soft curls with my Marshmallow Root and Slippery Elm DIY leave-in conditioner. This stuff is freaking awesome. For more curly hair videos, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video. Let's go ahead and get into it. This leave-in conditioner is extremely easy to make and it has fantastic slip. It's made a really big difference in the manageability of my curls, detangling time, and essentially it's kind of like you're boiling tea, but you get this really nice gelatinous texture afterwards, and that's just the mucilage that comes out of the herbs when they are heated. I'm going to share with you at the end how my curls look after I use just that as my leave-in conditioner. After our mixture has thickened, I like to strain it 2 times, once with a strainer, and then to get the extra mucilage that's left, I like to put it in a pantyhose. Now this is the key. Let it cool down completely and make sure that you are pushing it all the way down in the stocking. This is going to help the mixture to congeal and thicken. When you allow it to cool down, it will be so much easier.